So I want to preface this video by saying it's honestly shocking to me how many of you guys don't know about rosemary. It's also shocking to me how rosemary isn't part of your routines. So for you guys who don't already know, rosemary is one of the most, if not the most effective ingredient when it comes to hair growth. There's literally studies that show rosemary is just as effective as minoxidil. Literally just as effective. The very best part is that rosemary is a natural ingredient. Unlike minoxidil, rosemary actually helps to boost blood circulation in your scalp. And for those that don't know, more blood circulation always means more hair growth. For a lot of you guys who are using rosemary already, you're straight up just not using it right. You might pick up a product or two that says it contains rosemary in it, but realistically, if you look at the product list, rosemary is like one of the last ingredients. Or the product says it contains rosemary water or rosemary extract or something dumb like that, basically meaning that it doesn't actually have rosemary in it. They can just say that it does because they use something that rosemary was in, like the water. A lot of these products put a tiny bit of rosemary in their product so that they can claim rosemary, but realistically it's not doing anything for your hair. The very best thing you could possibly do for your hair and your hair growth is to actually make rosemary water or rosemary oil yourself. I promise to you it's not very hard. It's actually very simple and you can do it at home. A lot of you guys straight up think that your hair isn't growing, but the truth is your hair is growing. So the problem really isn't your hair. The real problem is your retention. The truth is your hair snaps off before you can even see any sort of length. For those who feel like their hair has been stuck at the same length for literally ever, this is the problem. Or for you guys who feel like your hair somehow quite literally getting shorter, it is. Or if your hair is consistently getting damaged in some sort of way, then you're losing length, not gaining it. This can make it look like your hair just isn't growing at all, or is even shrinking in some cases. But I promise to you, the fix is actually super simple. All you have to do is 1, fix your scalp environment, and 2, block the DHT. That's it, and the equation is solved. And luckily for you guys, rosemary does exactly that, but only if you use it the right way. I'm gonna be telling you exactly how to make it, how to use it, and how to use it the correct way. This is the part you want to pay close attention to. Let's start off with your scalp environment. When it comes to hair growth, your scalp is the most important piece of the puzzle. It doesn't matter how long your hair currently is, how long you want your hair to be, or even how long your hair will be in the future if you don't take care of your scalp. Your scalp by far is the most critical part of hair growth. So if you're not caring for it properly, you might as well throw all of your growth out the window now. Just quit. Just go ahead and quit on your whole journey. Matter of fact, don't even try to grow hair. Give up now. You just simply cannot have successful hair growth without having a healthy scalp. A lot of you guys like to just pile on products, oils, and whatever else. This very easily and surely clogs your pores. And when your scalp pores are clogged, your scalp won't be healthy. Your scalp produces something called sebum, which is basically, you can think of it as natural moisturizer for your hair. For healthy hair growth, you need sebum. And if your pores are clogged and inflamed, you can't achieve that at all. So step 1 in having a healthy scalp environment is please do not apply too many products. Don't crowd your hair with oils, and only put what's absolutely necessary in your hair. No, you don't need a hair care routine with 12 products in it. No, you don't need to try every single product that's out or every new product that's on the market. No, you shouldn't try every product that you see on TikTok Shop. Remember what I previously said, one of the best things you could possibly do for your hair is use rosemary. So instead of using every appealing cream or every brand that swears that they have the best hair conditioner, just apply rosemary. Rosemary water acts as a natural conditioner, a natural scalp moisturizer, and essentially a hair growth solution. To make it, it's quite simple. All you have to do is simmer some fresh rosemary sprigs in a pot for about 15 minutes. Let it cool, then just strain it into a spray bottle. Use it, then after every use, just put it in the fridge. It's that simple. If you normally spray water into your hair, you want to replace it with spraying this. This is water, just with the added benefits of rosemary. You want to spray this into your hair daily as a refresher. Or if you plan on styling your hair with a conditioner or a cream, spray this first, then apply your conditioner. You want to make sure to use this within 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks passes, make a whole new batch. For more detailed information on how to make rosemary water, you can watch the dedicated video that I made on it. it looks like this. You can check it out, it's on my channel. Now, moving on to blocking DHT. Like I said, rosemary actually does both. So all you have to do to block DHT is simply apply some rosemary water to your scalp and massage it in. Again, rosemary helps stimulate blood circulation, which is crucial when it comes to growing your hair. Another thing you can do is actually make rosemary oil. It's super simple and very similar to making rosemary water. If you want to learn how to make rosemary oil at home, check out the video I made on it. But all you have to do is, after applying rosemary water to your scalp, let it dry, then apply rosemary oil to your scalp and massage it again. By applying rosemary water into your hair and your scalp, then applying rosemary oil into your scalp again, you'll definitely put your scalp in the ideal environment that it needs to thrive. And while doing it, you'll help to block DHT, which is the chemical that causes male pattern balding. Most guys make rosemary water, spray it once, and then wonder why nothing's working. That's simply not the move. Consistency is going to be key here. So you want to spray it in the morning, and you want to spray it in again at night. This should be step 1 in your hair care routine. After that, if you want to apply a leave-in conditioner like Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor leave-in conditioner, or another one of my favorites is Oyens Whipped Pudding. These are both high quality conditioners with high quality ingredients in them, not all that toxic crazy chemical stuff that you guys be putting in your hair. Then that's great. Then lastly, you can feel free to seal it in with rosemary oil or wild growth hair oil or whatever other oil you have. This would be how you work that into your routine, and I highly suggest that you do if you really want to see results. If you don't have time to make rosemary oil or rosemary water yourself, then I'll leave a direct link to where you can grab this one or this one down in my description below. But if you would rather make it yourself, then you can totally feel free to do so. You can literally get everything you need to make it in the grocery store. But yeah, that's how to use rosemary water for your hair growth to grow your hair 2 times faster and 2 times longer. If you found the information helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel and you for some reason haven't already, what are you doing? Subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can see more hair tips, tricks, hacks, and more. Again, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or you're confused about what to do with rosemary, drop a comment down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you personally. But yeah, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. I'm Kozact, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace out.